Well, sometimes when you don't have the right tool for the job, you got to make one of your own. Because I had a puller to pull the steering wheel off, but what I didn't have was that tool that can thread onto here and then have a big C and push down, because there's a spring back behind here that keeps tension on this. See that spring that's back there? It sits against it. And if you notice, in this little lip, there's a little lip in there, and then there is a lip right there where a little ring fits into that, little snap ring. And right tool for the right job makes things go quickly, because when that's sitting in there, this piece, of course you all know if you've had it apart, you got to compress that spring to expose that way down in there to get that to pop out of there. I didn't have that tool, so I made this about 30 years ago, and I really forgot what the heck I made it for. Then I realized if I put it over the top of that and I retighten that nut, it compresses it, and it left me a little window to go in there and work with a screwdriver and pry it loose. Hot and sweaty, but got it done. At least glad I put that in my little save junk drawer. Talk about hoarding, but 30 years later, it came back to work for me, and I don't know, I guess I'll put it back in the toolbox. Hope I never have to pull it again, but I also hope I got the right turn signal thing here, because now that I've got this off and we take a look, you can see where that broke. And that's what I got to go in and try to replace, see if I can get the right part. Here we go.